Samal Island Davao City Connector Bridge Project. The Samal Island Davao City Connector Bridge flagship project under the Build 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 program is a long-awaited dream project in the Davao region. The bridge project will connect the Samal Circumferential Road in Barangay Limao, Island Garden City of Samal, to Davao City in between R. Castillo Daang Maharlika Junction, crossing over Pakiputan Strait. With a total length of 3.98 kilometers, including Davao ramps and at Great Road and Runabout in Samal, the bridge has a width of 24 meters and a vertical navigational clearance up to 47 meters, supported by 2 pylons with a height of 73 meters. Philippines-China relations begins a new era of ties with the provision of loans from the Chinese government for its construction. DOF Secretary Carlos G. Dominguez and Embassy of People's Republic of China in the Philippines Ambassador Juan Silian exchanged the loan document that provides financing for the SIDC project, witnessed by DPWH Undersecretary and Build 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 Chief Implementer Emil K. Sadain and UPMO Project Director Sharif Madsmo H. Hassin. On January 2021, DPWH and China Road and Bridge Corporation entered into a contract amounting to 19.32 billion pesos for the design and build of Samal Island Davao City Connector Project to head start the negotiation process and support the loan application. Upon its completion, the bridge project will provide a resilient and reliable transportation link between Metro Davao and Samal Island, reducing travel time from 26 to 30 minutes via Roro to only 5 minutes. The bridge project will improve economic activities and promote more source of livelihoods for locals who have long dreamed of having such a bridge that enhances internal mobility and external linkage to support the economic and tourist growth potential of the region.